Welcome to my channel Tough to Easy.
Sneeze. She sneezed 3 times in a row. Hiccup. I got a hiccup after drinking soda. Cough. He coughed loudly in the meeting. Snore. He snores loudly at night. Burp. The baby burped after feeding. Yawn. I yawn when I'm sleepy. Whistle. She whistled a happy tune. Sniff. She sniffed the fresh flowers. Huff. He huffed loudly to express his frustration. Wheeze. She was wheezing, so I gave her inhaler. Chew. Please chew your food slowly. Chomp. He chomped on the apple. Slurp. I slurped my soup loudly. Gulp. He gulped down his drink. Click. She clicked her tongue in annoyance. Lip smack. He smacked his lips after eating. Swallow. He swallowed the pill with water. Crunch. I love crunching on chips. Pop. He popped his chewing gum. Rumble. His stomach rumbled loudly from hunger. Sigh. He sighed after finishing his work. Hum. She hummed her favorite song. Groan. She groaned when she saw the pile of work. Gasp. She gasped for air after running fast. Snort. He snorted loudly, waking up from his nap. Chuckle. She chuckled at the funny joke. Hiss. He hissed angrily under his breath. Mumble. He mumbled in his sleep all night. Inhale. He inhaled deeply. Exhale. He exhaled slowly. Laugh. He laughed at the silly joke. Giggle. The boy giggled at the funny clown. Chortle. He chortled at the clever joke. Snicker. He snickered at the prank. Sob. She sobbed quietly in the corner. Weep. She wept quietly in the corner. Wail. She wailed loudly in grief. Whimper. The baby whimpered, wanting attention. Clap. She clapped after the performance. Snap. She snapped her fingers. Crack. He cracked his knuckles loudly. Tap. She tapped her finger on the table. Knock. Someone knocked on the door. Stomp. He stomped after his feet in anger. Growl. My stomach growled because I was hungry. Gurgle. Her stomach gurgled after the meal. Heartbeat. I can hear my heartbeat after running. Punt. She panted after climbing the stairs. Pulse. His pulse was racing after the workout. Buzz. My ear buzzed after the loud concert. Moan. He moaned in pain after falling. Belch. He belched loudly after the feast. Crackle. His back crackled after a long day of sitting. Gargle. He gargled with salt water. Spit. He spat out the seeds from the fruit. Creak. His knees creaked when he stood up. Shiver. She shivered in the cold wind. Cry. The girl cried loudly for milk. Hush. She hushed the baby to sleep. Thud. His heartbeat thudded during the race. Blow. She blew her nose into a tissue. Choke. She choked on a piece of food. Scream. He screamed in fear. Shriek. He shrieked in frustration. Snuffle. She snuffled because of a cold.